Hi, this is Chaz Kaiser, founder and executive director of what will soon be Serenity House Ghana, a rest, work, and learn space for women and their families. This house's compound, located on Century Street in Airport Residential, is going to be turned into a bed and breakfast, an event space, a cafe, and a women's business hub for people in Accra and all the many visitors to Accra. So let me go ahead and take you on a tour. This is the main house. It's 2 stories, has 10 full big rooms and 7 bathrooms. And this is the outside space. Right now there's parking, but this is going to all be painted nicely, and then we're going to be able to have a cafe actually outside. So as soon as you enter these gates, you'll be greeted by the smell of coffee, and you'll be able to sit down under umbrellas and have coffee, tea, smoothies, croissants, and a limited number of items. All right, this is the reception area, and we are, good morning. As you can see, we're under renovation. When you walk in, there will soon be a reception desk with someone greeting you saying, "Welcome to Serenity House." Tiling has already actually happened. Before, this was terrazzo flooring, and I have tiled every square inch of this place except the bathrooms, which were already okay, with wooden ceramic tiles and regular tiles. This will be the cafe, the indoor cafe. That's Denu Foster, who's building not only a staircase, but also, what are you building? My reception desk, stairs, and the strips. Okay, there's going to be a wooden covering here so you can't see upstairs to the Airbnb. And he's going to do the cafe bar when he comes down on the price. Here, office spaces. So this is a long hallway. I lost the key for this one, but this is where one of the boardrooms will be, where people can rent hourly for meetings. This is where Serenity House's office will be, where staff will work. This will be the Obio Terre workshop room. Check out the ceiling. Right now it's littered with air conditioner boxers. I bought 23 air conditioners for 23 rooms. This will be an office space that I'm hoping will go to a lawyer. And this will be an office space that I'm hoping will go to a counselor, because every woman needs a good counselor and a good lawyer. I'm going to walk you up to the bed and breakfast. It is entirely separate on the upstairs floor. So from the cafe, you'd have to pass through a gate first, and you would go upstairs to the bed and breakfast. It's about to be painted. You'll enter, and there is a small shared living room. Okay. What will be a kitchenette. And then the larger room, we're calling the Aja room, named after a Nigerian goddess of the forest. And it will have 2 queen beds and a pull-out couch. And check the balcony. So there's 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms on this floor. This is the Yemiya room, named after an African goddess of the sea. And you see the doors are off because we are about to paint, and we just tiled. And this is the balcony for those who are staying at the Yemiya. Again, we are under renovations. Renovations should be done at the end of the month. Tiling, painting, all types of repairs are going on this month. This is another room, located towards the back of the second floor. This is a Ashakle room, goddess of wealth. So if you got money, you want to stay in this room. Hello, sir. And this is the Sasiafua room. a Fanti goddess, well, really a Khan goddess of love, fertility, love and fertility. And from here you can see our very spacious balcony terrace. This is where my friends and family threw me a surprise lease signing party in early September after I signed the lease. And so I'm expecting people to have plenty of events, lunch parties, open mics, birthday parties, concerts up here. All right, so now we'll head on to downstairs. So again, the Serenity House compound will house a cafe, bed and breakfast, event space, and offices. They're geared towards women-owned businesses or people who have services for women. So let me take you to the backside of Serenity House. When you first enter Serenity House or the Serenity House compound, you can choose to go through that door, those doors, and that would lead you to the reception and the cafe on the bottom floor, to a boardroom and a workshop room that I showed you, and to two offices that are rented out. And then on the top, that is for people who are using the bed and breakfast. But if you walk back here, and you will because there will be a sign that says event space and women's business hub, you'll first be greeted with a stage. I have built a stage on the property because I want this to be the go-to place for small weddings, concerts, outdoor movie nights. I love outdoor movie nights and all sorts of events. So the stage is almost finished. It has to be painted. It will be complete with electricity and lights. And this is the compound. By the time people come and are coming for the events, this dirty ground that you see will have turf grass, and you'll be able to sit comfortably on it. I have at least 4 carpenters working on different projects for the house, and one is the stairs. So at first there wasn't a stairs that went upstairs to the terrace, and so we are building them. Well, I say we, but really I mean Denny Foster and his people. And then separate carpenters have built the stage. These are the office hubs. This one has 4 rooms that will be available for rent, and this one has another 4 rooms that will be available for rent. This is going to be the Norma Jean Activity Room. It's named after my mother-in-law, who I adored, loved, and she was just really passionate about uplifting and supporting women, and she uplifted and supported me all the time, and I miss her. I love the ceiling, and people will be able to use this room for small workshops and events. And through this door is what will be a massive kitchen that will serve the cafe and guests. This door will be closed so that people who work for the cafe can go out of this door, which we built. And this is a whole bunch of furniture that I plan to put in. There's still 3 other rooms, and those are staff quarters. We have 2 rooms for staff, and there's one other room which to me is the smallest, but to me it's the most special. It's called the CPR room. That stands for Cry, Pray, Rest. And so when women need to get away from their homes and go cry or go pray or just relax, they get this private room. It will be decorated, it will be comfy, and it will have inspirational sayings all around it. We're going back to the front of Serenity House. As you see, my car is parked, but there will not be any parking on the Serenity House compound. All of this is going to be used as event space and for the cafe. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'll tape again when we have more things finished.